Okay, here is your chick flick of the day. This is how they look when you come without goodies. Have this look of, what are you doing, lady? There's Babe back there. There's Powder, and Dynamite, and Dropkick. I'm pretty sure that's a girl. It doesn't have all the... Now, this Mottled Houdan back here, this is a rooster. How I know is he occasionally sounds like a sick cat. Jenny, I can't figure out if Jenny's a jack. Miss Jenny! Rocky! 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 But it is starting to look like... I had my Splash Polishes up for sale, but it's starting to look like I'm not getting very many bites on them right now. So, since we have time, we may end up keeping them to breed. Of course, you can do the blue-black splash. They just don't happen to be my favorite. Which is kind of funny because... You hearing Jenny? It's kind of funny because, if I had it to do over again, I don't think I would have ordered these guys like I did. I think if you just want really cool birds and just a mix of birds, because you're just going to do a barnyard mix, that those mixes that all the hatcheries have are great. But if you want to breed your birds, not so good. Well, let's see if we can catch a baby trying to cock-a-doodle-doo. Nothing? I heard one of them cock-a-doodle-dooing earlier today. It sounded like a sick cat. I think it was my Houdan. Ah, he's fluffing up. No, doesn't sound like anybody's gonna do your... That one behind the blue Polish is Biddy. She is definitely a failure to thrive. But she's bigger than she was. I mean, she started growing, so I'm hoping. Powder, what are you doing, baby? Powder, what are you doing? Dinah, or not Dinah, Powder. She's pecking at my foot. Like, where's the food, lady? Who made that sound? Alright, that is your chick flick of the day.